I am Shane Hall, Technical Director for Alucraft. Alucraft are a leading supplier in glass and aluminium facades. I heard of the Timoney programme. It definitely stood out. I think it was the right point in my career, especially with the year-on-year growth we're after having. But I was also at a sort of crossroads where, with the company 25 years, you tend to get a bit of imposter syndrome and so on, and I just didn't know really, what was the next phase for myself. I suppose Timoney for me allowed me to think outside the box. They do the Harvard Business School method of case studies, for example, which I found absolutely fascinating. By using those case studies and being out in the breakout groups, just allowed me to think differently about the thought process, let's say, of strategic planning. When you're in the technical world, you tend to be pigeonholed, as I said, into a certain thinking, and I needed to just get myself out of that thinking